Well, guys, out here, final day of rifle. See what happens. It's still dark out outside, but see what happens. No deer when I walked up here this morning, but it's still dark out. Never know, something could come walking through. Let's just sit here and take a look. Like I said, it's pitch black, so not even shooting time yet. So I can't even shoot if there is one that comes walking through because I can't see it. But we'll see what happens. Alright guys, we're gonna shoot real close here. I'm gonna get myself ready in case deer come running through here. And he messed with my bipod. Alright guys, I'm messing with my bipods. Someone freaking messed with it. As far as you can. Just watch it. Sorry guys, if I rock the tripod, I'm not trying to. Coming this way, It's 8:30 in the morning. It's 8:30 in the morning and it's bitter cold. Watching all around me, guys. My sister's boyfriend just shot there. Very well could be him shooting. Keep recording, go for a little bit here, see if something pops. what they'll do is they'll come running. Sometimes they'll just come running down this logging trail. If they don't dip down, going down the hill at first. When they get here. So the thing with deer, they're unpredictable. What route they're going to go. Start shooting them, they can turn back around and go back where they came from. They can go any which way direction they want to. I'm not seeing nothing coming through, guys. They must have circled back around if they went the opposite direction. Or they could be coming from my way where I can see them up to him. Up that way, who knows. But no deer. Alright guys, I'll keep you up to date. If I see anything, I'll flip the camera back on. Well guys, I'm back home. Nothing going on outside of hunting. No deer to be seen, but it's hunting. This was the last day of PA Rifle. There's going to be no hunting until the 26th this month. Nothing's in season until after then. Yeah, we went out and seen nothing, but it's hunting for you. You go out and you see, and you don't go out and you don't. So it's probably not going to be a terribly long video, but I apologize for that. And I apologize for the last video with no intro. That sort of wasn't planned. I filmed an intro, but that file got corrupted, so it was out. And then I feel like recording another one. I realized once I started editing it, and after I deleted the photos off the SD card, so I said, no, there you go for that video. But yeah, no deer to be seen, so there is no more hunting until the 26th, like I said. That'll be late season archery and flintlock season, which I'll be out archery because I don't got a flintlock. I only got inline. Inline's only in for a week here, so. But yeah, no deer to be seen. But that's hunting for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.